For tenants at this multifamily property, their homes just became a little more comfortable, and they look forward to spending less on their monthly energy bills. This is thanks to their landlord taking part in Idaho Power's Multifamily Energy Savings Program. Once a property qualifies for the program, a team of installers, along with a representative of the property, visits each unit. The team installs several energy savings items at no cost to the tenant or property owner. The team replaces incandescent light bulbs with Energy Star qualified LED light bulbs, which use 80% less energy. They install faucet aerators in the kitchen and the baths, along with water heater pipe insulation. And they install a relatively new piece of technology, an Evolve Shower Start thermostatic shutoff valve shower head. With this shower head, once the water heats up to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, it automatically lowers the flow to a trickle, saving hot water until it's ready to be used. A simple pull of the cord resumes full water flow. Owners and managers of multifamily properties that use electric water heaters can contact Idaho Power to schedule an on-site walkthrough of the property to determine program eligibility. While the tenants save energy, the property owner wins too, as the program adds value and improves the appearance of their property.